Hey there! We're so glad you've stopped by our channel where we're all about creating those warm, inviting spaces that just feel like home, especially if you happen to have four-legged family members running around. Because let's face it, our furry friends are part of what makes a house a home, right? And just like we put so much thought into making our homes beautiful and functional for ourselves, it's just as important that our pups feel right at home too. That's why in this video, John and I are going to share some of our very favorite design tips for creating a dog-friendly home that's as stylish as it is practical. Think durable flooring that can stand up to even the most playful paws, designated spaces for all those muddy paws and wet noses, and maybe even a special spot just for Fido. Are you getting excited because I'm already excited? Let's jump right in. Let's be honest, those adorable paws can really take a toll on our floors, am I right? All those happy dances, playful runs through the house, not to mention the occasional muddy paw prints. It's all part of the joy of having a dog. But who says we can't have beautiful floors that can also handle the chaos? One of our top tips is opting for durable, scratch-resistant flooring options. We love using luxury vinyl planks or tile in high-traffic areas because they're incredibly easy to clean. Trust me, that's a game changer. Plus, they come in so many gorgeous styles these days, you're sure to find one that complements your home's aesthetic. From sleek wood-look planks that add a touch of rustic charm to elegant tile patterns that create a sense of timeless sophistication, the options are endless. And the best part? You can relax, knowing that your floors can withstand all those zoomies and playful antics without showing any wear and tear. With the right flooring choices, you can have the best of both worlds. A beautiful home that's as durable as it is inviting for both you and your four-legged family members. You know that feeling when you've just cleaned the floors, and your sweet pup comes bounding in from the backyard, leaving a trail of muddy paw prints in their wake? We've all been there. But don't worry, a well-designed mudroom can be a lifesaver when it comes to keeping those muddy paws contained. Now, a mudroom doesn't have to be anything fancy. It's all about creating a dedicated space, no matter how big or small, where you can wrangle those muddy paws before they reach your pristine floors. Think of it as a transition zone between the great outdoors and your cozy abode. Add some sturdy hooks for hanging leashes and towels, and you've got yourself a functional and organized mudroom. We all have that one spot in our homes that we gravitate towards. You know, that cozy corner where you curl up with a good book, or that comfy armchair that just seems to hug you in all the right places. Well, just like we crave those cozy retreats, our furry friends deserve a little sanctuary of their own too. That's where built-in pet spaces come in. It's all about seamlessly blending your pup's needs into your home's design while creating a cozy haven just for them. One of our favorite ideas? Doggy nooks tucked away under the stairs. Think plush dog beds nestled into custom-built cubbies, complete with soft lighting and maybe even a little chalkboard sign with your pup's name on it. Alright, get ready to take your dog-loving game to the next level. We're about to dive into the piece de resistance of dog-friendly renovations. The custom dog wash station. Trust me, once you've experienced the convenience and sheer brilliance of having a dedicated space for bathing your furry friend, you'll wonder how you ever lived without one. Imagine this: a mini shower designed specifically for your pup, complete with a handheld sprayer, easy-to-clean surfaces, and maybe even a built-in shampoo and conditioner dispenser. No more awkward contortions in the bathtub or struggling to lift your furry friend in and out. Bath time will never be the same once you have a dedicated space where your pup can enjoy a spa-like experience. Well, there you have it, folks. We've covered everything from durable flooring that can withstand those playful paws, to mudrooms that keep the mess at bay, cozy built-in pet spaces, and the ultimate dog lover's dream, the custom dog wash station. Remember, creating a dog-friendly home is all about finding those thoughtful solutions that make life more comfortable and enjoyable for both you and your furry companion. Thanks for joining us on this journey to create a home where everyone feels loved, two-legged and four-legged friends alike. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Have a favorite dog-friendly renovation idea? Drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.